Shots 4.0, an initiative by the Admissions Committee VGSoM IIT Kharagpur. In this series, we help the CAT aspirants to prepare well for CAT 2023 with the experiences and advices given from our esteemed batchmates. Today with us we have Sreejita Chakrabarti, who has scored an overall percentile of 99.21. Thank you for joining us, Sreejita. Tell us something about yourself.
I am Sreejita Chakrabarti. I am from Kolkata. I did my schooling from South Point High School. In my 10th, I scored 90.71 in my Madhyamik exam. Then in my 12th, I scored 82.4%. Then in my BTech, I did Information Technology. There I scored 8.84 CGPA. And after that, I did my Masters in Software Engineering. And there I got 8.52 CGPA. And apart from that, I am also a content creator on YouTube.
So Sreejita, as you had such a good overall score in CAT, can you share with our viewers your strategy to prepare for CAT?
Sure. So the CAT paper has 3 different sections and the strategy for 3 different sections should be completely different. For the VRC section, our overall goal should be improving the reading speed as much as possible. For that, you can read articles or storybooks and take as many mock tests as possible, and that vastly improves your accuracy and your speed. In the beginning of my preparation, I was only able to attempt maybe 2.5 comprehensions, but by the end, I was able to attempt the entire paper comfortably. So your goal should be to attempt the entire paper if possible. Then comes the DILR section. The strategy here is a bit different. Your goal is not to attempt all of the questions. There are 3 different difficulty level questions: easy, moderate and difficult. Your goal is to first identify which are the easy questions, moderate questions and difficult questions. You have to attempt all of the easy questions and not at all touch the harder questions. You will only waste your time that you could have spent instead covering the moderately difficult questions. And after that, the QA section. It's again a section where you want to attempt all of the questions. First, you need to know the basic theory behind them, but also you need to know shortcuts that you can follow, because no one is going to ask you what method you followed to get to the correct answer. You can do back calculation, you can do approximation, you can do elimination of options. All of these methods I did to improve my speed.
Sreejita, could you also share with us the resources you followed for the preparation?
I took classes from an institution, and it was 2 hours a day, maybe 3 to 4 days a week, and they also provided their own study material and their test series, and I solved them extensively.
So how many months did you prepare for CAT and how many hours of self-preparation did you give up for it?
I studied last 6 months before CAT, and 2 hours a day, maybe a bit more in the weekends. While I was solving the mock tests, I mainly attempted mock tests in the weekend. A bit more time for that.
Can you also share with our viewers if you had any last night jitters and how you handled them?
I would be honest, I was not at all tense before the test. I took a break just before the CAT exam. For 2-3 days I stopped studying. I would say to keep confidence on your preparation, the work you have done before, and not stress at all. And also I would say during taking the test, it's better not to focus on the sections. If one section goes bad, don't worry about it. Move on to the next section and do your best, because you don't know what's the difficulty of that section. In my DILR section, I attempted maybe 8 or 9 questions. I got really bummed out because of it. But in that section, I got a 96 percentile. So that was enough for that score. So please be very calm, be very cool, and it will go well for you. Best of luck.
So thank you for watching this video. We wish you all the best from the Admissions Committee VGSoM IIT Kharagpur. Thank you.